Hey there, welcome to Funny Farm. I decided after letting this chip for a few days that I am going to cut a few of these bigger potatoes. So I've cut these. I'm going to show you how I seal them off. What I do with my potatoes when I cut them, there's the red thumb inside, is I just dip them in a little bit of wood ash from my wood stove to seal them off. Helps them form a callus sooner. And the wood ash is actually protective against things like slugs and snails, and can deter other pests like ants and aphids. And this little bit of ash will help give these potatoes a little bit of potassium boost as they're taking off. You wouldn't want to dump a bunch of wood ash in your potato bed because it changes the pH of the soil, and that can lead to potato scab. So just a little bit to seal off the potatoes. If you don't want to do this, you can just leave them out to dry for 2 to 4 days before you put them in the ground, or you can risk it and plant them without having a callus form. But if it's really going to be damp outside, like right now at my house, it is raining nonstop. My driveway is a river. My sump pump is screaming for mercy. And my yard is a mud pit. I'm outside trying to feed the chickens today and about fell on my butt a couple times because it's just slippery as all get out. And then I'm going to show you how we're doing on the starts that we planted last week. We have our broccolis coming up. We've got the cauliflowers doing really well. A lot of cauliflower coming up. Our Brussels sprouts are starting to come up, and the green cabbage is coming up, but no peaks yet on the red cabbage. The purple sprouting broccoli, it's starting to come up. I knew these brassicas were going to be first. We do not have any peppers up yet, or eggplant. No eggplant, but we do have a nasturtium peekin. I'm surprised that came up as fast as it did. No germination yet on the asparagus or the sweet peppers, but we'll check back in with you when those start popping up. That's what our leeks are looking like. Onions. Really disappointed in these Walla Wallas. A few more are coming up, as you can see, but these just didn't germinate very well. I will probably not buy those again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good day.